Hey you guys, thank you for stopping back by my channel today. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. So for today's video, I came across a video of I think Natalie Caroma, something like that. And it was an older video, and she was showing how you apply nail tips to your nail trainer with that has nails like this. And I was like, oh cool, okay, because I wanted to get a whole new nail hand, practice hand. Really, I still do, because I want the silicone one, but for the simple fact, because I don't like the nails that come on these, and it never dawned on me to put the the nail tips that you use for like acrylic gel nails or whatever on here. I always thought full covered, and I'm like, but you can't fit the full cover good on these tips that is on it now. So she showed how you do it. I watched most of it. I didn't watch the whole thing, but I think I kind of got the gist of it. So I wanted to go ahead and try that on this my nail practice hand today. This is a nail trainer I've had a while from AliExpress. At the time, I paid like 27 bucks for it. I think you can get it for around that price, if not cheaper, from Amazon now, if you're interested in getting one. So I wanted to also, I picked these up from Dollar Tree a while back, and as you can see, I haven't opened them, so I haven't tried them, but they're the Artificial Nail Tips by Sassy Plus Chic from Dollar Tree, and you get 80 in here. So I wanted to see how well these were sturdy and all that stuff. So I'm gonna try to apply these to here, see if I could get them to stick. I'm also gonna use glue that I got from the Dollar Tree. This one is a Kiss Super Bond pink nail glue, and then this one is the Sassy Plus Chic instant nail glue, which matches the pack of nails. So I'll probably test out maybe both of them if I don't forget once I start gluing them on. So I'm gonna start by cutting the nails down as you would when you doing your nails or someone else's nails. And y'all, please, as a disclaimer, I am not a nail tech. I am just a regular schmegula person who just loves nails and nail polish, and I'm a beginner. Most of the things you guys see me doing, I'm learning and practicing, so yeah, I'm not like a nail tech. I'm not a professional, so I still mess up just like a regular person here and there. So I'm gonna start by cutting the nails down. That is what she did in the video. Ooh, Lord, flying. The thumb one was already on here, so that's why it's already fouled over. These things are flying everywhere. Okay, so they're cut down. And I have my my hand stand here just to, if I need to push down on the hand, I'll have something for it to land on. Okay, and then what she did was filed them. So I'm gonna go ahead and file all 5 nails across just to get them even from cutting them, since cut a little crooked. So here's some ASMR nail filing sounds for you guys if you want to hear it. If you don't want to hear the ASMR nail filing sounds, just fast forward. Okay, you guys, so I'm all done. Got them filed across the top. Hope you guys enjoyed those nail filing sounds. Okay, so the edges are a little jagged. I'm gonna get that off. Okay, so after that, next you want to buff across the top of them like this, so once you get ready to glue on your nail tips, they will adhere better to the surface since these are so smooth. For that, I think just to make it quick, I'm going to see how well the sanding bit works instead of me just going across them with my file. I had a few set out here to try, but first I'm going to go ahead and try my mini e-file, and I have I can't remember what grit this is. I think this is either medium or coarse grit on here. See how it works. Try to take that bump off too. Done using the e-file to go across the tops of the nails. It was a little harsh, so they're a little you know, like bumpy. What I'm gonna do now is take my file and just go across them to just smooth that out a little bit so it won't be so bumpy, and then I will find the tips that's gonna fit the nail. We'll go ahead and try to glue them on, see if we can get them to stick. I did like using the e-file better because it helped it go a little bit faster, but the only thing is I had to use it sideways, which is what made it so harsh on the top like that, because it just wouldn't really get it going, you know, this way. So try to get some of this off a little bit, because you just want it to be you know, you just want to get that smooth surface off of the practice tips is all. And for some reason when I use just my nail file to do that, it just doesn't do the job unless I just really, you know, put some work in on it. And I was just trying to speed up the process, but you can use your nail file. You do not have to use the nail drill. Just see how this is like a coarser file. It has a coarse side and a softer side, so I'm just using both sides to just try to get it a little bit more smooth, get some of that jagged edge off. Okay, so I think I got them smoothed out as much as I possibly could. So we're gonna put it to the test and see. My little ring I tried to put on my little practice hand keeps falling off of her. It's a little bit too big, I think. I tried to tighten it up, but it keeps slipping. I had a feeling it was gonna do that. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the pack of nails. One of the tips she said, when you're applying these onto your trainer, you don't want them to fit just right or too little, because that's what makes them pop off. So if they fit a little bit bigger over the nail is okay, because you can just file off that extra. So this one looks like a thumb. Yep. So these couple of fingers, these two right here are a little wide. So yeah, this one's, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is hanging off. I don't know what that is. That was on here in the bag. It looks like marker. But it's hanging off the side a little bit. I don't know if you guys will see. There we go. So you can see it's hanging off the side a little bit. So once I glue it on, I'll be able to just file it down, which is fine because it's not like I'm doing a real person's nail. So I don't know if these are numbered. No, these are not numbered. So I'm going to have to try to find matches because I need the same size for this one. That one and that one. Okay, so that'll be good for the pointer. And pinky is awfully wide, because see, when you put it on, see how I'm pushing down to make it fit and it's spreading out? That's what will make it pop back up. And that's not, you know, you don't want it to do that while you're trying to practice whatever you're practicing. So this one isn't too bad. I don't have to push down too much and it's overflowing on the side. So I think this one may work well for the pinky. So we'll try it out and see. Even my little ring keeps falling off. All right. It's dust everywhere. I keep forgetting I have that dust collecting machine. I could have used that for sure today. Okay, so first we'll try the Sassy Plus Chic glue that goes with the Sassy Plus Chic nail tips. I will start with the pinky. It wants to come out. I haven't used this yet, so it should be working. I hear some in there. I can see it coming up when I squeeze it, but it's just not coming out. Ooh, there we go. Okay. I'm gonna hold it there for a little bit. Sliding. Actually pushed down too hard. You guys can see right across the top of there how the nail like kind of like spread and cracked. I was pushing way too hard. I'll try not to do that with the next ones. I'll put a little bit more glue than I did with that one, just because these nails are so funky. You guys know what I forgot? I forgot to switch in between with the Kiss. But listen, I'm pretty sure the Kiss, if this worked, the Kiss should work. Because Kiss is like brand name, you know. So I think it would have worked anyway. I know I used a lot of glue, but I cut that hole kind of big. So it was really coming out of there. Let me get some of this glue off of my scissors. That actually worked. Oh, okay, I was gonna say, but the one piece The whole piece popped out of there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna file the sides where it's extra piece, the extra is hanging off the side. I can get in here with this. I don't like this file. Try a different one. All right, this one, y'all, it glued down on the side here of this part of the nail, so I can't really get to this one. Let me try my file. Oh, the thumb popped off. I didn't even notice that. All right, let's see if I can get that off without tearing the finger part up. So I got it off with the drill a little bit. And since I have this one off the trainer, might as well take this one off. Do just quit dropping everything first is just go across the tops of the nails just to get those little notches off of them, and it will be ready to go for me to acrylic or whatever I choose to do. So yes, that seemed to work pretty well. The tips for applying your nail tips to your nail practice trainer hand. So I'm glad I gave that a try. So now I know that I can apply these and use my practice hand a little bit more than I do, because I had no clue I could get these to stick. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you guys will know when I drop my next video. Thank you guys. Bye, y'all.